Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find digital code on Amazon. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. The very first step is to open the Safari or Chrome apps. Since we cannot use the Amazon app, once you are in this Safari or Chrome app, search for amazon.com and make sure that you are in the desktop site. To do so is in Safari, just simply click on the button and then click on the request desktop site. For Chrome, you just simply click on the three dots and then click on a request desktop site. Afterward, you should log in with your account, and then once you are logged in, make sure to click on the account list and then click on account, and then under the digital content and device click on digital games and software. Wait for it to load, and then here you may see your digital code on Amazon. So this is the way how you can find digital code on Amazon. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.